we're back at the airport. So we are at CDG Airport or here in Paris. And we are now leaving and going to our next destination, which is in Cairo, Egypt for our Egypt tour. So, update lang sa aking mga bumpy. Yung eye ko, medyo okay na siya, di ba? Hindi na siya ganun ka puffy. And then, ito, meron pa rin akong konti. At saka meron pa rin akong dalawa pang bump sa may pigi ko. So anyways, Cervantes is now doing baggage tag print out. Ayan, oh. We already printed, or sorry, we already checked in online and have our boarding passes. However, we just need to print our baggage tags. So, we have 4 checked in. Ayan ang ating mga bagahe. Plus, meron pa tayo isang bagahe kay mother na dinala nila. I know, I'm not a light packer. And marami akong bagahe. Lahat yan, puno na nga. Tigka 23 kilos na yan. So, sagad-sagad na. There's no more space to shop kung saan man kami pupuntahan. Kasi, pagpunta pa lang namin from Edmonton pa lang, meron na kami itong tatlong to eh. Nadagdag lang to. So, we'll see how it goes. Ito na. Piniprint na ni Cervantes. Ano naman to? Mga, ano ba yan? Matatawag na yan. Nasa tube. Pataas, pababa. Ayan. Tapos ito tayo, oh. Very slopey. Tapos, very bumpy. Guys, so we're here. Nasa loob ng gate ng papunta na kami sa aming gate. I think gated kami. And tignan nyo naman itong mga waiting area. Of course, sa likodan ko yung mga high-end, mga luxury brands. But I'll show you guys. So yan yung mga luxury brands all the way at the end. So ito yung Prada. Tapos ito Turkish Air Relay na convenience store for snacks and drink. Pero tignan naman ninyo yung waiting area dito sa Paris. O diba, ang sosyal. Ang lakas makasosyal. Tapos meron pa dun yung sitting area na akala mo manonood ka ng TV, ng sine. And then, meron din silang option to play PS5 over there. Ito, boarding na sila. Saan papunta to? Ewan ko saan. Doon tayo sa dulo pa tayo. Malayo pa tayo. Sa labas yung Qatar Airways. Cute na mga sitting lounges dito. Ayan, oh. Diba? Tapos, mga pa-effect pa sila ng ilaw na ganon. Lakas makasosyal. Yayamanin talaga itong airport na to dito sa Paris. We've been naman dito, kaya lang other terminal kami. Terminal 1 yata ito. Ang haba pala nito. So, yan na muna guys. See you guys later pag naka-board na ako ng plane. Bye! So, we're here waiting for our boarding time ng Egypt Air. And ito, nag-McDonald's kami. Let's try McDonald's food. I'm having a Happy Meal and it's a McFish for me and fries. Nuggets. There's nuggets too. So, ang total meal namin is 1 adult meal and 1 kiddie meal for 20 euro. How's your burger? Guys, so we are now boarding Egypt Air. It's our first time flying with Egypt Air. Heard the mixed reviews of this plane. So we'll see how this flight goes. So it's a 333 configuration. And for this flight, we're flying economy. So let's see how Egypt Air flight is. We're in the middle aisle, middle seat. Okay. flight review here at Egypt Air. So it's kind of like chaotic as usual dahil na boarding. So nagkakagulo ang mga tao. What good with us is nauna kami mag-board kaya we got pretty much the space on top. We can have upper cabin. Nakuha namin yung buong yun sa aming mga bagahe. And Egypt Air provides pillow. How long is the flight? Huh? 5 hours of flight. They provide a pillow. They also provide, I think, a blanket. And yung upuan nila, merong footrest yung seat. Ayan, no? Right? So, kaya maganda rin. And then, meron kang own screen dito with browse. Mukha namang mga bago naman yung kanilang mga shows, mga movies. And we'll check the service later kung ano yung service at saka yung flight nila. So, that's it for now.